Hey guys, Yumi here. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your parking light bulb on your 2007 to 2012 Nissan Versa. Now the bulbs I got to replace the existing ones are 168, but 194 and T10 bulbs will work just as well. It has the same connector. To locate where the bulb is, you go down in under your hood, and there should be like it's like in a fatter tubing, and then it's where that connector is right there, that black one. And then you just pull it out with some needle nose pliers. So I got the connector loose. I separated it from where the bulb was. And it should be like this long cylinder that comes out. And then we just replace it. Now I'm going to reconnect the connector and then test to see if it works. So then make sure it's oriented the right way. So it looks like it's working right now, so we're good to go, and then you just put everything back to where it was. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to see more tutorials from my channel, make sure to subscribe. Thanks!